This is a bench. No fancy joinery, or unique inlays, or hidden details. Just a simple, boring bench. But yet, for some reason, it completely wrecked me. No, why now? Supposed to be a stupid simple bench. Let's talk about it. What to do? I'm Wood Dude, and I thought building this bench would take a week, 2 max. Instead, it started with this. I'm getting kicked out of my wood shop. This showed up the same week that I was supposed to start building this bench. I have 30 days to move my entire shop, and honestly, the reason for this, it doesn't matter, because now I have to find a new place. Thankfully, sort of, there were a whole bunch of other woodworkers that were also getting kicked out at the same time. I met up with one of them, and we decided to share a bigger space together. And after 4 days of moving and cleaning out both of our shops, I now have a new place to work, and I can start building this bench. And it starts with me buying some materials. I'm charging someone $500 to make this bathroom bench out of solid teak, until I realized it would cost me $500 in teak alone to make it. Oh, wait a minute. It costs how much? So we compromised. And instead we're going to make this bench out of a different kind of wood. Out of this, called Afrormosia, aka African teak. I got it back to the workshop, only to find out I didn't buy enough. Supposed to be a stupid simple bench. We are not off to a good start. After one more wood run, getting more of the Afromaniac wood, I can finally start building this goddamn son of a bench. I first cut a few pieces of the aphrodisiac wood into the legs and the frame, but I need to figure out how I'm going to combine them together in order to make the base. According to this, there are multiple different ways to join pieces of wood together. I just need one, thank you. Let's just try gluing them together. That did not work. All right, how about pocket holes? Nope, not that one either. Okay, how about a butt joint? Biscuits. No? Okay. No, it's cool. That didn't work either. There's gotta be something else here. Dowels. Please work. Oh! Well, fuck me! Oh, God, that's strong. We have a winner. Son of a bitch is still attached. God damn. It's still attached. What the hell? Nails are fucking strong if you do them right. Using dowels, I connected the 4 legs with those 4 straight pieces to create the base. Huh? Not bad. Not bad. Almost looking like a bench. Yeah, sure. Kind of like how you're almost a woodworker. Haha, self-burn. The bench just needed a top to sit on. We went with this simple slatted design, so I glued together some strips of the Afro Reggae wood to make it into a thick and flat top. Then fastened it to the base using some Z-clips on the underneath side of the bench where they won't be seen. And now, finally, we have a bench that we can sit on. Let's really test this bad boy out, huh? Wait, what? Jesus, mother of God, that's like 230 pounds combined with your fat ass. Holy shit, it didn't break. So here it is. No fancy joinery, no inlays. Just a simple bench that tried to ruin my life. But I had a fun time building it. This bench was supposed to take me 1 to 2 weeks max. It ended up taking me 3 months. It took 3 months, 2 shops, and my 1 sanity to get this goddamn thing built. Thankfully, the client loved it in the end, and we're already sharing details for another commission. Maybe. It might be a video. We'll see. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a good day. Peace.